Hey guys, and welcome back. So let's say we wanted to create a glow for that triangle, and when it is outside the camera. We cannot do this with this render, and the best way to do this is by exporting a geometry outside of Houdini and using it in Nuke. So I made this, created a triangle here and placed it where this geometry is and exported that as a Limbic file. And this is the triangle. This is the geometry. Nothing fancy, and it's positioned correctly. So I'm gonna create a scan line node, scan line render, and let's hit tab, and then this is my object and this is my camera. I'm gonna create a constant and set this to white, and now we have a triangle visible, and as we pan out and in, it's rendering correctly. Now if we do a glow effect, I have a nice glow I'm gonna use, so I have an exponential or expo glow. You can find this on Nukepedia as well. So this is the glow effect, and let's increase it. Something like this. And if I go back and the triangle is not visible, if I play, you see it pops up quickly, and once the triangle shows up 1 pixel, it creates this flickering. We don't want that. We want the glow, it's going to happen outside of the camera. And the best way, or the way to do that, is by using overscan. So here inside the render, I'm going to increase the overscan to 100, and if I view this, we should see, you see there is a pixels rendering here, and if the overscan is not visible outside of this domain, I can do this. I can show it by right click and tick on show overscan, and now see we're getting these pixels. So if we run the glow on this, it's gonna work over those frames before it gets in screen. But this 100 pixel is not enough. We need a lot more because we want to see the triangle all the way up. So I'm gonna set it to 1000, and then as soon as we do that, it clips here again. The reason for that is because the viewport settings in Houdini, in Nuke, is limited. So if I press S and go under the viewer, the overscan is limited to 100. I'm gonna change this to 1000. See, now the triangle is visible outside. Okay, I can make it even more visible. Let's increase this to 2000. Let's increase this to 2000. And if I play through, see, this is outside the camera. The camera doesn't see the triangle, but we still are able to render it with overscan. And that's the solution. Now if I generate glow based on that, as I play through, see how it comes in nicely. And let's merge this with the render. So if we look, see that now we have that nice glow. If we play through, it's there. So that's how we do it. That's how we do the glow effect. And I'm gonna give this a blue tint, something like that. And then if we go out, see, we're getting this nice haze, which we can tweak to make it stronger. And then as the camera shows the triangle, maybe here, we change it down to 1, 3, 4, and let's increase it even more here, 10, 100, 1000. Yeah, it's not, the radius is not reaching here, but I think you guys got the idea. So if we play through, see the glow, and it's not interrupting or anything. Then as we see the triangle, the glow continues, and everything is working as expected. Now I don't need this. I'm gonna turn off add source so it doesn't show the triangle, and maybe I can blur this so it doesn't show, a specific shape. Something like that. And that's pretty much it. As that's pretty much it for this section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in a bit.